this here and learn about products like this. Yes, I like it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm looking at an Elgato Stream Deck. Now, if you saw my other video, I purchased a different brand of Stream Deck and it worked well, but it was a little quirky for me. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. I just ran into some issues of plugins and different things not always working the way they should. So I ended up returning that one. There's nothing wrong with it. I just wanted something a little bit more stable. Let's call it that. The other was fine, but I wanted to try the Elgato. I do have the a couple of different Elgato products, and their quality seems to be really good. Quick unboxing. So let me show you what it looks like. I'll give you a close-up so you can see. It says Stream Deck. This is Elgato. Again, heavy plastic. This is also made out of, it's plastic, but I have to tell you, it feels like metal. That's how heavy quality this plastic is. Crazy. It's got 15 buttons here, and you have multiple pages, and you can set it up for, multi-pages. You can have a certain page for certain tasks. You can have a Twitch page. You can have a YouTube page. You can have an OBS page, and you can set up all your scenes and everything like that, just like all the other ones. But this, I think Stream Deck has the plugins seem to be a little bit better. The plastic is all heavy quality, heavy duty, has a non-slip bottom here that I took off the plastic already. Has a non-slip bottom so it doesn't slip when it's on your desk, which is cool. I like that. And it was really kind of minimal. I mean, here's the in the box also was the just a basically USB-C to USB-C cable and a small little mini manual and some documentation about Elgato. Really nothing. Not much in here, just a little bit of information about plugins, where to go to download the software, things like that. That's all that's in here, so not a ton. A lot of the research you're going to have to do online as you learn. If you're new to using Stream Decks, it is a little bit of a learning curve. So don't get frustrated. Don't give up. Walk away, come back, look at some more tutorials, and you will figure it out. Believe me, once you learn it, it's pretty easy to do. It's pretty plug and play. Once you get to the Elgato store, you download the store. You have all the plugins. You download the OBS, and for OBS, you can download YouTube. There's all kinds of free software out there as well as paid. But I'm just doing this quick review just to show you the quality is excellent. Here is the USB-C to USB-C cable right here. Again, all high quality. It gives you an L-shaped one here that goes inside the Elgato. Then you have the USB-C here, 2.0. That's what it says on the thing here, 2.0, 480 megabits per second. So how you do it, I would do it, it just slides right in here. You can see, let me show you here. You just basically pop this in here like that, and then you can run your wire any which way you want to. You want to run the wire in the back end, you want to run your wire to the right or to the left. Or if you want to, you can just leave it straight on the desk like that. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. If this is convenient for you, it's up to you. Like if you're streaming right here and you're gaming, you want to just tap it, boom, boom, boom. You can do that and rock and roll. Or if you like an angle, like I run mine I like mine on the side, and I'll just run this wire through here, which I like that better, to the case. Super easy, like that. And that's kind of how I like my Stream Deck, kind of facing me. But you could do either way, totally up to you. And let me just plug this in real quick, and I'll just show you the interface, how it looks, and how clean and how sharp it is. Okay, so I plugged it in, and automatically boots right up. And you can see here are all the keys, the hotkeys they call these basically. So you can set up any way you want. You can just see how nice and clear and sharp. And you can, whatever you type in here, you can actually customize these. So this is my logo. I hit the record button for OBS. Here's my Sony camera. Here's my Emmet camera. That's the logo on and off. The record button. So if I hit record, the OBS will start recording. I can shut the logo on off. I can do multiple cameras. Super easy, but you can see how nice and clean and sharp this is. Now, this is already pre-set up with some of the folders, and you can just change these and do whatever you want. You can just take them all out, put them in, whatever you want to do. You can pretty much customize it any which way. But I wanted to show you how really clear and nice this is. I have a Mac. It's running in my Mac, no problem. It controls the volume, the mute button, which I kind of like that. I like this screenshot. Sometimes I like to take screenshots, and you can do hotkeys. So you can say, okay, I want to open up YouTube. I want to open up Amazon. I want to open up Twitch. I want to go on Facebook. Whatever you want to do, you can customize this, drag and drop. Once you learn the interface in the background, this is really, really cool. It works really, really well. So I don't want to overload you with too much information. I'm going to be making another tutorial basically on how to set it up and get everything up and running. But that's the much longer video. I just want to show you the quality for the Stream Deck is absolutely, I definitely like this one a little better. I don't want to say a lot better because I haven't really tested the whole thing yet, but it seems a little bit better quality. The keys work better and the interface is a little bit better. I don't have to worry about so much of the back end. They seem to work in the back end pretty good with the OBS. That's my main use for broadcasting. So that's what I have for you guys. If you enjoy this type of product and if I brought you some value, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd like to make videos like this to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you to make decisions based on something like this. It was more money, yes. Was it worth the extra money? I think so. I'll let you know when I do another review with the working of it and doing all the testing and all that. We'll figure that out together. I do get a small commission if you go ahead and purchase it. It does help my channel out, cost you nothing, just to be fair and transparent. Now, I don't do this for the money. I don't do this for the commission. I do this to help inform you because you're looking online and you're just not sure. There's so many Stream Decks out there. Like, oh, what do I use? What do I do? There's this one and that one. This one is the premium. You can get them for $30. You can get them for $40, $50, and $60. I paid like I forget what I paid. I forget what it was, like over $100. And you get what you pay for in most instances. You get paid for the technology, the back end, all the back end work, all the engineering, whatever it may be. There's a reason why they have this. All the other ones seem to have a very similar platform, but it's very similar back end, and who knows what you're doing. So that's why I went with the Elgato Stream Deck. I use their 4K capture card for all my video input, and I've had no issues at all. So they're a good quality brand, and I like them a lot. All right, enough talk. If you enjoyed the video, again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to follow me for more videos just like this here and learn about products like this. Yes, I like it. All right, guys, appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me for more videos just like this. And I appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.